Hey, so if you're getting an upload failed error on WeTransfer, yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to send important files. Sometimes the upload just stops or fails at the last moment. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to solve this issue. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Upload failures often happen due to interruptions. If your file is too large, yeah, try compressing it or splitting it into smaller parts. Refresh the page and try uploading again. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Stored data, yeah, can cause upload issues. Disable browser extensions, uh, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. Switch to another browser to see if the issue is browser related. If your file name has special characters, yeah, rename it and try again. In some cases, WeTransfer servers might be down. Wait a bit and try again later. So yeah, that's how to fix the WeTransfer upload failed error. One of these steps should get your file uploaded successfully. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Hey, so if